Welcome to another episode of Malcolm Goes Outside. In today's video, it is going to consist of two different trips, and reason is because we went whitewater rafting in Jackson Hole, Wyoming, right on the Snake River, and I fell in while whitewater rafting and lost my GoPro, so I lost all my footage of kayaking and whitewater rafting. Super big bummer. You still get to see some really pretty scenery. So we ended up camping out in Palisades, which is a reservoir out in Alpine, Wyoming, and this specific campground is called Big Elk Creek Campground. It has a nice little kind of outlet from the actual lake itself, and it's really calm and really pretty too.
Jack, you sleeping like a king? We got any paper? Huh? Yeah. I guess we get like a skunk or something. What's going on in here, man? Like, I don't know, he just doesn't eat in the mornings. They're great, huh? I love them. Maybe, huh? It would say non-potable water if not. Forgot coffee cup, so I'm going to use plastic McDonald's coffee cup. Huh? What? I think he's like worried we're gonna like leave or something. McDonald's coffee cup. That's some fucking good ass coffee. You wanna know something cool? It's fast.
That's why it's called jet oil.
Yeah.
Just leave it like that. I can add more here in a minute. So this is actually out in Driggs, Idaho. We wanted to go and check out the water levels on the Teton River because last year we went and kayaked it and it was super fun, and oh boy is this water flooded the entire area. I'll leave a card up above if you want to check out that kayaking video. And this is actually the summit of the Teton Pass. It connects Jackson Hole to Victor, Idaho.
Oh, got the wrong charger.
This is a really cool hiking trail up in Teton National Park. You can actually take a ferry that goes across Jenny Lake. It's a $20 round trip, and you can go and check out a really cool waterfall and just a different view of the Tetons themselves.
Now pose like you're climbing that rock.
So this is us actually riding the gondola, or the gondola, however you say it, up in Jackson Hole Ski Resort. It's in Teton Village, and I definitely recommend doing this if you like hiking, mountain biking, or even skiing. There's lots of different wildlife to see, and you can spend $50, which is a little expensive, but you can go all over the entire ski resort and do hiking and check out just a bunch of different areas. This is Rendezvous Mountain. It sits at 10,450 feet in elevation, and it's the highest point that you can actually ski at Jackson Hole Ski Resort. And this day it was like 42 degrees with like a high wind, and it literally felt like it was January, but it was actually mid-June. for this video. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure you like the video and subscribe if you want to keep up to date with where we're traveling to. I'm still pretty bummed about losing my GoPro, but we'll get another one down the road and continue filming our kayaking and travel videos. Have a good one.